channel. Is anyone suffering from dry and damaged hair like me? Our beauties who visit the stores often and ask us about what is the best hair product. My personal pick would be the Mise Perfect Serum Original Treatment. It has 7 different oils with different protection properties that will perfectly treat your hair. It comes with argan oils, which is good for hair protection, coconut oils, that's good for hair conditioning, apricot oils, calming and dead skin cell care, and camellia oil, which is good for the hydrating, camellia oil, hydration and antioxidizing, and jojoba oil, which is good for hydration, and the last one is olive oil, which is also perfect for the hydrating for damaged hair. These natural oil ingredients give nutrition and hydration to the damaged frizzy hair, making it a must-have daily after shampoo treatment for those with bleached, dyed, permed, and just the overall dryness and damaged hair. So today I will share a K-beauty hair treatment tip using the Mise hair treatment. So I've been repeatedly dyed my hair with all the different colors since when I was really young, which left me this unbelievable damaged and dry hair. So here is a at-home self-care method to revive this unmatched hair. A much cheaper and easier way to achieve the shiny and perfect silky hair that you will probably have to pay about more than $200 in the salon. So what you need for today: hair straightener and hair product. I've chosen the Mise Perfect Serum Original Treatment, aluminium foil, and hair serum product. It's also from Mise. Using a hair straightener or hair splashed with product, trust me everyone, and thank me later. My hair is really dry, very unhealthy. My nickname is doll hair. You know how the Barbie doll's hair, right? So I'm going to do a bit of magic. So I will wash my hair first and I'll come back to you. I just washed my hair with shampoo and I will towel dry my hair to have it a little damp but not too much. Okay, I think that's enough. So just dry it this much. On this towel dried hair, it's time to apply the serum. And don't forget to apply just on the lower half of the hair, not everywhere and not on the scalp. And focusing more on the end, where it's most likely damaged. Once again, remember, do not apply to the root of your hair. If you have thick hair or if you've got a lot of hair, you need some help with the back side. I just apply on the lower half of my hair. Very nice smell. And let's move on to the most fun part out of this whole process, the hair straightener. Before you plug them in, you need to wrap this hair straightener with the aluminium foil. It doesn't really matter which side faces where. If the side where the touches the hair, it needs to be perfectly flattened. If it's wrinkled up with the foil, it may damage your hair. So, it's perfect. Oh, and then I'll plug them in. And the important thing to note is the temperature. If the temperature is too high, it will burn your hair. So just keep it below 140. So for myself, I think I'll go with 120. Then I will divide my hair into separate sections.
The theory behind this is to take the nutrition further inside the hair with the heat. Be sure not to press down the straightener for too long. Give it a little hit only like this. Tap, tap, tap.
So after letting it cool off a little bit and wash the product off, I'll come back. And then I will apply the Mise Perfect Serum Original. And just apply at the end of the hair. My hair is really smooth. Very smooth. Now it's really soft and smooth. It's easy to brush my hair. Satisfied with the result. It doesn't really recover all my damaged hair, but my hair is getting better. So this is not a daily care method. Maybe you can try once a week or maybe once a month. It's fine for the normal hair. So moral of the story today: it takes time and effort for the proper effect. So when you've got a spare time on the weekend, try out this special self-care hair treatment. So this is the end of the video today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty. Do not dye your hair too often, otherwise you will get hair like this. I will try myself with Perfect Serum Golden Moroccan Argan Oil Original Treatment.